Hey, this is Arlene. So I'm using my thermal camera. It's another one I have, split screen. So you can see the heat of the frequencies. And you see the temperature in the center of the screen. So it's like 96 plus degrees, but that's not even the temperature from the outside. Always hot in the console area. That's like right where my radio is and stuff. And the red that you see there's like where my odometer, my gas thing is. I'm wondering if they removed the firewall to my engine or did something to it, because you'll see how hot it is down in there, especially where the gas pedal is, right over in this area, and the brake pedal. You see the heat coming. And in my seat there's heat coming.